Now let's talk more about board templates on Monday.com. So these are actually pre-designed layouts that serve as a starting point for creating new boards. So they're incredibly helpful because they simplify the process of setting up and structuring workspaces, projects, or workflows. So these templates are designed for various use case and industries, ensuring that you can quickly get started with the right framework, saving you time and effort. So as you can see, we have a board open in here already onto our new workspace name for our workspace. So if you have another board in there, so let's just simply click onto that one. And there is actually an option for you to have this certain board that we have in here already as a template. So for you to be able to create this one as a template, just click onto this three dot in here, and then you'd be redirected onto more setting in here. So what you'll need to do right after that is to click onto this button in here or to save this as a template. So this is actually a new feature onto Monday.com. So I'll just need to click onto that one. And right after, as you can see, it is actually saving workspace as a template. So we'll just need to wait for this one to finish so that you'd be able to see a confirmation message that it is actually created already. So as you can see, we can see the message already that this board is a part of a workspace template. So changes made here will be applied also to all future boards created from this template. So how we could locate this board onto the template section, to simply hit onto this add button in here, the add items of workspace, and then right after you could click onto this choose from templates, and then you'll just need to remember the name of your board and utilize the search bar that we have here onto the upper part, or you could just simply click onto templates created in your account so that it would be easier to find in the templates that you have created. So let's try to click onto that, and you can see the name of the workspace in here. And when it was last updated, you could also try to edit this. For you to be able to use it, just simply click onto use template. So this feature is actually more of like just duplicating your board. So instead of duplicating it, you try to do this one out so that you could have it saved already, since if you'll just duplicate it, you'll have a copy of it, but you won't be able to use it onto different workspaces. So you'll just need to simply create this as a template so that you could use it onto your other workspace. So what you'll need to do next, or what we're gonna dive in next, is choosing templates that was made by other creators. So for you to be able to do that, you'll just simply click onto this plus button again, the add items of workspace, and then go to the same thing we did earlier, which is choose from templates. So let's click onto that, and you'll be redirected onto the template center. If you've noticed earlier, we have here the search bar onto the upper part of the screen, and here onto the left side, you could explore the different templates. So you could click onto all templates in here, so that you could be able to see the different templates that they offer, they're recommended for you, and the templates created in your account, which we've discussed earlier. So you have also different categories here. So let's click onto a certain category in here that we want to add. So for example, this project management in here. And as you can see, the different templates that project management offers. So these are really helpful because they save you time and streamline your work processes. So instead of starting from scratch every time you create a new project or workflow, these templates will provide pre-designed structures tailored to specific tasks or industries. So this will simplify your planning, organization, and ensuring consistency and efficiencies in your teamwork. So let's try to click onto one in here, this multi-project. So if you click onto that one, you'll see a quick detail, and you could see also the different or website that it can be integrated with. So we have our Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Gmail, and Outlook, Dropbox, Teams, and many more. So you could see a quick preview on what it is look like for dark mode and also for the light mode. So once you want to use this, just simply click on to use template in here, and it will create your template board. Now, as you can see, we have already successfully added the multi-project board, Project Alpha, the Project Beta in here, the Portfolio Dashboard, and PM Learning Center. So if you've noticed in here that it has also different views that it offers aside from just the main table. We have the task assigned to me. We also have the project dashboard and the Gantt. So you could add in more views also for this specific board. Just simply click add view in here, and you'll be able to see the different options for board view. So that's how board templates work onto Monday.com.